You're not broken, you're rebuilding, and that's a big difference. If you have ever been told you're too emotional, too damaged, too much to handle, let me stop you there. Because broken things are tossed, but what you're doing is sacred. You're picking up the pieces not to be who you were, but to become someone even more powerful. Welcome back, beautiful souls. This is SoulStrength, where women rise, heal, and remember who you truly are. Let's begin. So, today I am giving you 7 ways to remember this. You're not broken, you're rebuilding. Let's go deep. Don't let the world convince you that your pain makes you weak. It doesn't. It makes you real. Every scar on your heart, every tear you have shed, every time you fell apart and still showed up the next day, that's not damage, that's depth. You're not supposed to be untouched. You're supposed to be lived in, felt through, full of wisdom that only pain can teach. Those cracks in you, they are sacred architecture. They tell the story of your survival, and they don't make you less worthy. They make you legendary because only women who have been through fire can walk this kind of quiet power. You're not broken. You're a mosaic of light and shadow, and that makes you unforgettable. There's no timeline for rising. The world loves to rush you, heal fast, move on, smile more. But this isn't a race, this is resurrection, and resurrection takes time. So let them move on. You stay in the process. Stay slow, stay sacred, because you're not fixing a flat tire, you're rebuilding a temple. And temples are not made in a weekend. You're rebuilding a life with more awareness, more boundaries, more grace. That's not slow, that's intentional. So the next time you feel behind, remember flowers bloom in their own season, and so do you. Grief is not a breakdown, it's a breakthrough. It means you loved deeply, it means you risked, it means you cared. Grief is the soul's way of saying something here mattered. And if you skip over that, if you numb it, distract it, pretend it's gone, you don't heal. You just bury it deeper. But you're not here to bury anything. You're here to cleanse, to clear, to rebuild from a place of truth. So give your pain the dignity it deserves. Sit with it, speak to it, feel it fully. Not because you're weak, but because you're wise. And wisdom never fears the storm, it walks straight into it, knowing the light is on the other side. When a house collapses, the first thing we inspect is the structure. So now that's your rebuilding, your boundaries have to be non negotiable. The old version of you said yes too quickly, tolerated too much, let too many people in who didn't deserve to stay. But this time, you're building with steel. That means your no is holy, your silence is sacred, and your peace is the top priority. You don't owe anyone access. Let them call it selfish. Let them say you have changed. Because you have. You're no longer available for energy that drains. You're only available for love that uplifts. Protect that fiercely. There's a version of you that kept everything together. She smiled through the ache. She tolerated the chaos. She minimized her needs. She did what she had to do, just just to make it through, and we honor her. But she's not the woman you're becoming. So stop trying to resuscitate her. Stop feeling guilty for outgrowing people who only knew how to love your unhealed self. That version of you was brave, but you're about to be unstoppable. Let her go. Bury the old story. Reclaim the pen and start writing like the heroine you are. This journey you're on, it's not for everyone to get. Some will call you dramatic, some will roll their eyes at your boundaries, your silence, your glow up. Let them. They don't need to get it because it's not their path, it's yours. You weren't put here to be understood by the world. You were put here to understand yourself, and that means honoring your process. Even when it's messy, even when it's slow, even when it makes others uncomfortable, stop translating your pain for people who only speak avoidance. And let whoever isn't meant for the next chapter exit quietly. This right here, this messy middle, it's part of the miracle. Don't wait to celebrate until you're fully healed, glowing, thriving. Celebrate now. Celebrate that you got out of bed. Celebrate that you said no to what broke you. Celebrate that you're still soft, still loving, still open after everything. Healing isn't some magical finish line. It's in the micro moments, the deep breaths, the choice to stay, the courage to begin again. So light a candle for your strength. Dance in the ruins. Laugh in the ache. You're not waiting for someday. You're living it right now. Close your eyes, breathe in, and say it with me. I'm not broken. I'm rebuilding. And every day, I'm coming home to myself. Say it again with me. I'm not broken. I'm rebuilding. And every day, I'm coming home to myself. Because your nervous system to hear that you mean it, and your soul already does. Tell me in the comments which part of you are you rebuilding right now. Your voice, your trust, your self-worth. Be bold, be raw, be real. Let's hold space for each other in the comments below. This isn't just a video, it's a circle of healing. Drop it below and let's rise together. Thank you for watching. If this video shifted something inside you, don't stop here. Go watch one more soul strength video. Because healing isn't one moment, it's a journey. And the hardest part, subscribe only if your heart says yes. This is SoulStrength signing off. Until next time, take care of your heart, beautiful souls.